Good morning, everyone. Myself, Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about what is the restart and safe restart and how to copy the job and move the job. Let's see the one by one demo. Okay. First one, basically, if you want to restart the Jenkins, what we will do? We will come to this CLI and we will be systemctl restart command, right? We will use the systemctl restart the Jenkins, right? Instead of coming to CLI and restart the Jenkins, we can also do through GUI. How we can do? Here, this URL colon port number, right? In last, you can give the restart. Okay, if you give the restart enter, it will ask yes or no. I mean, if you give the yes, it will be restart. Remember, if you use /restart, what will happen? In case any jobs is running, it will be immediately kill and it will be restart the job. It will restart the Jenkins. Okay, got it right? What I'm saying here? When you use the restart /restart command, I mean the particular, what will happen? It will ask yes. If you give the yes, even if your jobs is running on queue, okay, immediately it will be terminated. It means it will be stopped and it will be restart the Jenkins. Okay, example I'm giving here. Are you sure you want to restart the Jenkins? Yes. If you give it, it will be restart your Jenkins. Okay, /restart means you can restart the Jenkins. Instead of coming to here and log into the server and restart, you can directly restart from GUI also. Okay, got it right? It may take a little bit time to come back. Let's see. Back to normal. Okay, now you can log in with the particular user. Okay, username is admin. Murali, password is admin. Okay, sorry, I'm given wrong. Fine. Fine, I have logged in. Okay, second option is /safe restart. What is the difference? Okay, safe restart. If you use safe restart, what will happen? In case any jobs is running, until the jobs is completed, then it will be restart. Okay. If you give the safe restart, here it is asking, are you sure you want to restart Jenkins? Jenkins will restart once all jobs are finished. It means in case in between any jobs are running, those jobs is completed only. Then this particular safe restart will be run. Okay. Got it right? I'm giving here. Currently, we don't have any jobs, right? It will be immediately restart. Okay. Yes. Got it right? In interview, there is a very important question like how can we restart through GUI? We have a two option. One is /restart. If you use the /restart, in case if any jobs is running, immediately it will be stopped and it will be restart the Jenkins. In case if you use /safe restart, okay, the Jenkins jobs will be until the Jenkins jobs will be completed, then it will be restart. Okay, there are two ways. Got it right? Safe restart means safe. R is a capital letter. Okay, got it? Let's see, it may take a little bit time to come back that particular Jenkins GUI. Now, yeah, it is come back. What is the next one is? Next one is how do we copy the job? Okay, for example, you have a Maven project. I want to copy this configuration, everything. How you can do? New item. Here I'm giving like example sample one I'm giving. Okay, I'm selecting the freestyle job. Now come down here. Here you are able to see the copy from. Okay. Here I'm giving like example Maven. If you give here Maven project, what will happen? Whatever Maven project configuration is there, right? Everything it will be copied to sample-1. Okay. Then you can modify whatever you want. Example, I'm okay. Click OK. If you observe here now, inside the sample-1, it will be available all the particular job, whatever is available at that particular Maven project, everything it is came. Then you can modify whatever you want. You can do it. Why do we require copy? See, example, you have a project. Okay, that project you have configured everything. Okay, same you want to create another job with the same configuration. Only you need to do small changes. Example, you have to change only Bitbucket URL. Remaining all configuration same. Instead of setting one by one, you can create the job. Okay, you can take existing configuration using copy. Okay, that is the main usage of copy one. Okay, what is that? Next one. What is the next one? Next one is how to move the particular job from one location to another location. For that one, what I'm doing here, I'm creating one folder here, new item. I'm giving here dev. Okay, I'm giving dev and creating that folder. Folder is here. Okay, save it. Now, if you see here, the folder is created. Okay, now what I want to do, we have created Maven project. This project I want to move to inside dev folder. How we can do? Select this one. Example I'm telling. you have a lot of folders. You want to move specific job to that particular folder, you can do same process only. Select the particular project. Okay. In left side, if you see here, in left side, we have a move option. Click this move. Okay. Here you have to select where you want to move this project. Maven project. I want to move inside dev folder. That's why you are seeing here dev. Okay. If you have multiple folders, you can able to view here. Okay. Currently, we have only one dev. That's why it is one. Okay. Move. Now, if you see here, the particular job is moved to inside under dev folder. Inside under dev folder, the particular job is moved. Got it right? How you can move? How do you copy that existing configuration when you creating the job? And also how to restart, safe restart. What is the major difference between restart and safe restart, right? If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.